this year's Mecum Auto Auctions is even better than last year because this is their second year in a row that they've had live entertainment, and a lot of people are coming out here for the live entertainment as well as the show, as the cars. So it's been a really, really great time. Big crowds, great weather, awesome time.
Cooking on this thing is a dream, and the fact that it's completely mobile and can be trailed anywhere, it's literally the ultimate in portable demo stage equipment. As a culinarian, it has everything you want, even a walk-in refrigerator. A walk-in refrigerator right off stage. Mobile, goes anywhere. Bucket list check.